Hey, I am Mohan. The Russian mobile application will help to check whether the watermelon is ripe. Scientists from the Moscow Institute of Physics and Technology. The institute has developed a mobile application that can determine the degree of freshness of products. For example, with its help, the user can recognize whether the watermelon is ripe or has not deteriorated cottage cheese under the package. The application is based on Wi-Fi technology, which uses radio waves of a certain frequency. When passing through a particular medium, their strength changes, to which the researchers drew attention. So, when the fruit ripens, the sugar content in it increases, which changes the dielectric properties fetus and, accordingly, affects the strength of the Wi-Fi signal. It is noted that in contrast to other similar technologies, the new development does not require separate equipment and makes it possible to determine the freshness of the product without violating its integrity. In addition, a similar solution is being developed, which will be applied in stores so that customers don't have to use their smartphones. At the moment, work to improve the application. The first stage of testing was carried out using 2 smartphones, but in the future, one will be enough. At first, the application will be compatible only with Android, and then it will be finalized and for other operating systems. Follow my Instagram ID python.ipynb for more updates.